Mastering failure mode prediction. FMP implementation radically reshapes operational excellence, transforming users' experiences. Where does the implementation of failure mode prediction, FMP, aim to drive operational excellence in our organization, and what specific benefits does its purpose entail for its users? The implementation of failure mode prediction, FMP, aims to drive operational excellence in our organization by proactively identifying and mitigating potential failures in processes, products, and services. This proactive approach enables organizations to anticipate and prevent failures, thereby minimizing the likelihood of defects, errors, and malfunctions. By integrating FMP into operational excellence initiatives, organizations can achieve significant benefits that enhance overall performance, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. Through FMP, organizations can identify potential failure modes, assess their likelihood and impact, and prioritize mitigation efforts accordingly. This proactive approach enables organizations to 1. Reduce defects and errors. By predicting and mitigating potential failures, organizations can significantly reduce the incidence of defects and errors, resulting in improved product and service quality. 2. Enhance customer satisfaction. By delivering high-quality products and services that meet customer expectations, organizations can build trust, loyalty, and reputation, leading to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. 3. Minimize downtime and repair. FMP helps organizations identify potential failures in equipment and processes, reducing the likelihood of unplanned downtime and repair. This results in improved productivity, reduced maintenance costs, and increased asset utilization. 4. Optimize resource allocation. By prioritizing mitigation efforts on high-impact failure modes, organizations can allocate resources more efficiently, focusing on critical areas that require attention. 5. Improve compliance and regulatory adherence. FMP helps organizations identify potential compliance and regulatory risks, ensuring that they proactively address these concerns and maintain adherence to relevant standards and regulations. 6. Foster a culture of continuous improvement. FMP encourages a proactive, forward-thinking approach, promoting a culture of continuous improvement and learning within the organization. 7. Reduce warranty and liability costs. By minimizing the incidence of failures, organizations can reduce warranty claims, liability costs, and associated expenses. 8. Enhance supply chain resilience. FMP can be applied to supply chain operations, helping organizations identify and mitigate potential failures in their supply chain partners, ensuring a more resilient and reliable supply chain. 9. Improve data-driven decision-making. FMP provides data-driven insights, enabling organizations to make informed decisions about resource allocation, process improvements, and capital investments. 10. Support digital transformation initiatives. FMP can be integrated with digital technologies, such as IoT sensors, machine learning, and predictive analytics, to create a more connected and intelligent organization. By integrating FMP into operational excellence initiatives, organizations can create a proactive, forward-thinking culture that drives continuous improvement, enhances customer satisfaction, and reduces costs associated with failures and defects.